Okay, let's look at the present value of a deferred single sum. Alice needs to replace the dock and boathouse at her cabin within 5 years. The project will cost $90,000. She does not have access to her cash within her investment savings now, but she will in 18 months. How much will Alice need to set aside in 18 months from now to have $90,000 available in 5 years from now if she earns a real annual rate of return of 8% compounded annually in her investment account? All right, so let's figure this out. So she needs $90,000, but she doesn't have access to that money for a year and a half. So she technically has about 3.5 years to grow her income to $90,000. Let's see how much she needs to have in her account now and able to do that. Okay, the mode doesn't matter because there is no cash flows. Her future value is $90,000. That's how much she needs. And she will earn interest of 8% compounded annually. And she has 3.5 years to grow this money since she does not have access to it for a year and a half. So it's 18 months. So 5 years minus 18 months, basically. And there is no payment, so let's figure out how much she needs to have in her account today in order to have $90,000 in 5 years. So future value is, so mode doesn't matter because there's no cash flows, so let's go ahead and do $90,000. Future value at 8% interest for 3.5 years and no payments, so compute present value. So it's $68,748. So Alice will need to set aside $68,748 in 18 months from now. So she will have $90,000 available to replace her dock in 5 years from now, assuming she earns a real rate of return of 8% compounded annually.